All right, everybody, great to be back with you. My name is Matt Light, and this segment is Frequently Asked Questions. Now look, I've made a lot of mistakes, and I get a lot of questions on how do you do this, what's the expectation here, what happens when this occurs. Let's dive into it. Let's tackle them one by one. Number one, frequently asked question. What do you do when you have something go wrong? One great piece of advice is whenever you're planning your trip and you make your reservation, take the time to ask them who are the best repair people in that area. That's really important. Get that number, lock it down, put it in your information for your trip, and in the event that something did happen or does happen, you know who to call, because it always happens at the weirdest hour. Number two, check the weather forecast a lot, because there's certain things that you want to make sure you take care of in the event of a big thunderstorm. Great point, and people ask this question all the time. How about your awning? I had my awning ripped off in a thunderstorm. Don't put them out unless you're actually using them. When you're not using them, make sure you retract them. If you have a pop-up tent, make sure you take it down if you're going to leave for your campsite for the day, and keep your site really clean. If it doesn't need to be out, don't put it out. All right, frequently asked question number three, and this is really close to the heart on this one. I recently took a trip. I had my wife open the door and look out to see if we were going to be able to clear something. I don't recommend that ever. You know why? You should know what your ride height is. Whatever it is you're driving, if you're renting something, they're going to tell you, write it down. Put it on the dash, put it on the steering wheel. Make sure that you really understand what that ride height is, and when you come up to a low bridge or a train trestle or you're going through a tunnel, you want to have 100% certainty that you're going to clear that, because if you don't, you're going to end up like me, having a guy come and repair on site your air conditioning unit, and none of your family's going to like being in 100-degree weather with only one of your AC units working. All right, another frequently asked question. You don't need to always have a cable hookup, but kids are going to want to have access to the Wi-Fi, especially kids. And there's going to be time where you need that downtime. So think about having your own portable system where you can generate your own wireless network. Everybody can log into it. And then you also have the streaming apps, right? Get a Roku, get an Apple TV, hook that up. It's usually pretty simple to plug into an input within your own place. So think about the MiFi, think about that cable hookup, test the cable at home if you have the ability to do that, and understand how your system works.